My dear students, today we'll discuss about the problems of tangent and normal from number 8, and the question is two curves y is equal to e to the power y is equal to 2 to the power x and y is equal to 5 to the power x are two curves, and we have to find angle between two curves, that is tan inverse ln 5 by 2 by 1 plus ln 5 into ln 2 modulus. And it is a very important property you have to remember, that is angle between two curves is angle between two tangents at their point of intersection. Suppose the two curves intersect at this point, then angle between two curves is angle between their tangents. Now we are going to draw the curve y is equal to 2 to the power x and y is equal to 5 to the power x. Here it is the curve y is equal to 2 to the power x, y is equal to 5 to the power x curve is here. The red mark is y is equal to 5 to the power x and the blue mark line is y is equal to 2 to the power x. Why it is above? Suppose I am putting 1, then this length is 2 because 2 to the power 1 is 2, and that length is 5 because 5 to the power 1 is 5, and the point where they intersect is the point where they intersect. We have to find it. At the point of intersection, this 2 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power x, that is 2 by 5. Suppose we divide it, so 2 to the power x by 5 to the power x is equal to 1, 2 by 5 whole to the power x is equal to 1, which is equal to 2 by 5 whole to the power 0. So x is 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So the point of intersection, it is 0, 1, which is on y axis. Okay. Now we have to find the slope of tangent. Let the slope of the tangent is m1. This is curve 1. Slope of the tangent at this point is t1. And t1, what we have to find? We have to find d by dx of 2 to the power x. That is 2 to the power x ln 2. And we have to put the value 0, 1. Derivative of 2 to the power x is 2 to the power x ln 2. Put 0, 1. In place of x, you have to put 0. In place of y, you have to put 1. But there is no y term here. So, its value is ln 2. Similarly, slope of the tangent 2 is ln 5. Now, angle between two curves is theta is equal to tan inverse m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2, which is equal to tan inverse. M2 means its modulus. Okay, tan inverse m2 means ln 5 minus ln 2 by 1 plus ln 5 ln 2, that is tan inverse ln 5 by 2 divided by 1 plus ln 5 ln 2. Okay, now look at number 9. Here it is question to show that the curves ax square by square is equal to 1, a dash x square b dash y square is equal to 1. They intersect each other at right angle if 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash. We know from the previous question we have already know that angle between two curves is angle between two tangents at their point of intersection. Okay, angle between two curves is equal to angle between their tangents at their point of intersection. Look at here. If we solve and find the point of intersection, then it will be very difficult. So let us consider, let x1 y1 the point where the two curves meet. So a x1 square b y1 square is equal to 1. A dash x1 square plus b dash y1 square is equal to 1. Now a minus cancel, now subtract them, we get a minus a dash into x1 square plus b minus b dash into y1 square is equal to 0. Taking this part to the right side, and x1 square by y1 square is equal to minus, so divide this a dash, a minus a dash here, and divide y1 square here. The relation is this. Why will do this? Equation 3, which will, the work of equation 3 is in next steps. Okay, now just only you subtract and keep it here. Next steps you will do. Look at here, differentiate equation 1. What you will get? when you will differentiate equation 1, you get 2ax, that is 2ax plus 2by dy by dx 0, dy by dx is equal minus ax by by. Slope of the tangent of the curve t1, this curve t1, just you have to find the derivative and put the value of x1 1. It is ax1 by1. Similarly, slope of the tangent t2 is what? Dy by dx at the point x1 y1, that is minus a dash x1 by b dash y1. According to question, the two curves t1 is perpendicular to t2, so slope of their product is minus 1. m1 is minus ax1 by by1, m2 is minus a dash x1 by b dash y1, is its product is minus 1, so a dash by b dash x1 square by y1 square is equal to minus 1, so a dash by b dash x1 square by y1 square is equal to minus 1. Now what you will do? Now this x1 square y1 square, which I have already told you in equation 3, put the value of x1 square y1 square here, we will get what? Minus b minus b dash by a minus a dash is equal to minus 1. Now multiply, minus minus you cancel, a dash into b minus b dash is equal to b dash into a minus a dash. Now a minus a dash, now a minus a dash by a dash, just divide it here and take this and divide it here, we get b minus b dash by b dash. Now divide them, separate them, a by a dash, it is 1 by a dash by a dash, it is 1 by a. So 1 by a dash minus 1 by a is equal to 1 by b dash minus 1 by b. Then take this 1 by a to this side, it is 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash. Now look at number 10. Number 10 is what? Find equation of tangents. It may tangents drawn from the point 1 2 to the curve y square minus 2x cube minus 4y plus 80. Suppose this is curve. Draw tangent from this point. Then this is one tangent. There must be another tangent. It may be. Okay. So it's in the question it is written tangents. In all the questions, it is from question 7 to question 8, question 9, question 10, everywhere. We have to take a point first. What is that point? Take x1, y1 be a point which meets the curve. As x1, y1 lies on this curve, so y1 square minus 2x1 cube minus 4 y1 plus 80. Now make it a complete square, y1 square minus 4y1. So add here 4. Then take this minus 2x1 cube to right side, it becomes 2x1 cube, and it is 4 and it is minus 4. Okay, because when they will come to one side, it becomes this equation, y1 square minus 2x1 cube minus 4y1 plus 80. Now arranging them, we get it is y1 minus 2 the whole square is equal to 2x1 cube minus 4. In future, this equation will help you a lot. Differentiate equation 1. Now it is equation 1. Differentiating, you get 2y and it is dy by dx. It is 6x square. It is 4 dy by dx. And 8 derivative is 0. Result is 0. Now it is 2y minus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 6x square. So dy by dx is equal to 6x square by 2y minus 4. Now take common 2 in numerator and denominator, it becomes 3x square by y minus 2. Slope of tangent is dy by dx, putting by x1 y1, it becomes 3x1 square by y1 minus 2. Also equation of tangent is what? Also equation of tangent is y1 minus 2 by x1 minus 1. y1 minus 2 by x1 minus 1. Because there is a formula x1 y1 x2 y2, when you join, you know the slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here slope is what? y1 minus 2 by x1 minus 1. Here it is one slope. Here it is slope 3x1 square by y1 minus 2. So we can equate both two slopes. Equation 3, 4. Okay. Now look at here. From 3, 4. Now we equate two slopes. Now multiply them. It becomes y1 minus 2 rho square is equal to 3. Multiply them. 3x1 cube minus 3x1 square. Look at here. y1 minus 2 rho square by equation 2. y1. Look at I'm giving you information. Here y1 minus 2 whole square is equal to 2x1 cube minus 4. So putting this we get 2x1 cube minus 4 is equal to 3x1 cube minus 3x1 square. So take common to one side. It becomes x1 cube minus 3x1 square plus 4 is equal to 0. And you have to remember this step. So I am putting a circle here. If you will not remember, then you cannot do these steps. It is a very important step because it is a cubic equation. You have to write this minus 3x1 square as minus x1 plus x1 square minus 4x1 square. Okay. Now take common x1 square. It becomes x1 plus 1 minus 4. It becomes x1 square minus 1. x1 plus 1 x1 square x1 plus 1 minus 4 x1 plus 1 into x1 minus 1 0. Take x1 plus 1. It becomes x1 square minus 4 into x1 minus 1 0. x1 plus 1 take common, it becomes x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 0. x1 plus 1 into x1 minus 2 whole square 0. So x1 is equal to minus 1, x1 is equal to 2. We get two values of x1. One is minus 1, another is what? 2. Now putting in 2. Equation 2, we know it is y1 minus 2 rho square is equal to x1 cube minus 4. Putting x1 is equal to minus 1. y1 minus 2 whole square becomes minus 2, minus 6. Something square is negative, it is impossible. Now consider, put x1 is equal to 2. Then y1 minus 2 rho square, when you will put 2 here, it becomes 12. y1 minus 2 is plus or minus 2 root 3. y1 is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. So the point x1, y1 is what? x1 is what? x1 is minus 1. And y1 is what? 2 plus 2 root 3. Another is minus 1, 2 minus 2 root 3. 1, 2. One is minus 1, 2 minus 2 root 3. Another is minus 1, 2 plus 2 root 3. Now, sorry, I have done one mistake here. x1 minus 1 is not taken as it is impossible. So we have to put x1 is 2 here. So putting it is 2, 2 comma 2 plus 2 root 3. It is 2 comma 2 minus 2 root 3. So equation of the tangent 1 is y minus y1. Y minus what? Y minus it is also done mistake. Point is sorry, it is not a mistake. It is point. I am taking x1 y1 here. So y minus 2, it is point where we draw the tangent. Y minus 2 is equal to slope into slope means what? 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 plus 2 root 3 minus what? 2 plus 2 root 3. So I am taking it here plus 2. No, it is 2. It is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. It is 2 minus 1. Acha, into x minus 1. Another tangent is what? 2 minus 2, y minus 2 is equal to slope. Slope means 2 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. It is plus 2 minus 1 into x minus 1. You can simplify and you can get the answer. Okay. Now look at number 13. Sorry, 11. 11 is number 11. What is that? This is a curve. This is a curve. Suppose, and equation of the curve is x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is a to the power 2 by 3. When we draw a tangent, suppose this is a tangent. No, question is that I am reading it again. Question number 11. Look at here. So that equation of the normal to the curve x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3 is y cos theta minus x sin theta is equal to a cos theta, where theta is the inclination of the normal to x axis. Theta is the tangent. Theta is the angle made by the normal with x axis. Okay, now look at here. This is a curve. This is the point. Suppose this is point where we draw tangent. The point coordinate of the point is, I am taking it is x1 y1, and when I draw it normal in this point, it makes an angle theta. Then equation of normal is, then we find the equation of normal. Look at here. Since x1 y1 point is on the curve, so naturally x1 to the power 2 by 3 plus y1 to the power 2 by 3 is a to the power 2 by 3. Now differentiate this equation 1, you get 2 by 3 x to the power minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3 y to the power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to 0, 0 into 2 by 3. Now what is dy by dx? It is minus x to the power minus 1 by 3 by y to the power minus 1 by 3. It is minus y to the power 1 by 3 by x to the power 1 by 3. Similarly, equation of tangent is what? Dy by dx at the point x1 y1 is minus y1 to the power 1 by 3 by x1 to the power 1 by 3. According to my question, the normal makes an angle theta. So slope of normal is what? Slope of normal is tan theta. Also slope of if slope of tangent is this, slope of normal is minus 1 by slope of tangent. That is what? That is x1 to the minus 1 by mt. Here it is mt. Minus 1 by mt is what? x1 to the power 1 by 3, y1 to the power 1 by 3. So, as slope of normal is tan theta, so x1 to the power 1 by 3 by y1 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. We know there is a formula. Now, look at here. Take this sin theta here. Take this y1 to the power 1 by 3 to the numerator position. Now x1 to the power 1 by 3 by sin theta is equal to y1 to the power 1 by 3 by cos theta. There is a formula in class 10 level. If a by b is equal to c by d, then it is equal to a square plus c square whole root over by b square plus d square whole root over. So I am taking it here, x1 to the power 2 by 3 plus y1 to the power 2 by 3 whole root over by sin square theta plus cos square theta root over. That is, and we know x1 to the power 2 by 3 plus y1 to the power 2 by 3 is already in equation 2, that is x1 to the power 2 by 3 plus y1 to the power 2 by 3 is a to the power 2 by 3 by, it is by equation what? It is by equation 2. Equation 2. So what will happen? It becomes a to the power 2 by 3 root over a to the power 1 by 3. What is x1? X1 is what? A to the power 1 by 3 sin theta. What is y1? A to the power 1 by 3 cos theta. Now what is x1? If x1 to the power 1 by 3 is this, what is x1? It is a sin q theta. What is y1? It is a cos q theta, which is written here. Now you are getting x1 y1 and slope of the normal is tan theta. What is x1 y1 is this? Equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to slope of normal into x minus x1. So y minus a cos q theta is equal to tan theta into x minus a sin q theta. Write it sin theta by cos theta. Multiply cos theta here. Multiply sin theta here. It becomes y cos theta minus a cos 4 theta x sin theta into a minus a sin 4 theta. Write y cos theta minus x sin theta is equal to a, what a cos 4 theta minus sin 4 theta. It is a fourth minus b fourth, a square minus b square into a square plus b square, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Then it becomes y cos theta minus x sin theta is equal to a cos 2 theta. I have done number 12 after doing number 7. Here I will start from number 13. The question is y is equal to cos x plus y. This x plus y lies in between 0 to 2 pi, and the tangent of this curve y is equal to cos x plus y is parallel to x plus 2y is equal to 0. So curve of this tangent is parallel to the line x plus 2y is equal to 0. Condition: this x plus y must lies in between 0 to 2 pi. Now y is equal to what? Y is equal to cos x plus y. dy by dx is minus sin x plus y into derivative of x plus y. Derivative x is 1 and derivative y is dy by dx. Now multiply them. It becomes minus sin x plus y into dy by dx. Take in one side, that is dy by dx. 1 plus sin x plus y is minus sin x plus y. What is dy by dx? It is minus sin x plus y by 1 plus sin x plus y. It is slope of the tangent. Now, suppose L is the line whose equation is what? X plus 2y is equal to 0. And the slope of this line is minus a by b, that is minus 1 by 2. According to the question, this line is tangent is parallel to the line, so slope of tangent is equal to slope of the line is equal to minus half. Now minus sin x plus y by 1 plus sin x plus y is equal to half. Now 2 sin x plus y is equal to 1 plus sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is 1, x plus y is pi by 2. When x plus y, and look at here, this x plus y now lies in between 0 to 2 pi. We have what? X plus y is equal to pi by 2. So y is what? Cos x plus y is equal to cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, x is what? X is pi by 2, because x plus y is equal to pi by 2. Okay. Now when x is equal to pi by 2, y is equal to 0. So the point is what? X1 y1, which is equal to pi by 2 0. And equation of tangent is what? Y minus y1 is equal to slope of the tangent into x minus x1. So y minus y1 means 0. Y minus 0 is equal to minus half into x minus pi by 2. Y1 is what? So I'm writing here 0. Y minus 0 is equal to minus half into x minus half. Okay. Now number 13. Number 14. What happens to number 14? Now question of number 14 is that tangents drawn from origin to the curve y is equal to sin x, to which locus of the point of contact is x square y square is equal to x square minus y square. As you know, what is the question? I am telling it again. Suppose this is the curve, and you know the curve y is equal to sin x. This is the curve y is equal to sin x. Now tangents drawn from origin. Suppose this is origin. I am drawing a tangent of this curve y is equal to sin x. Suppose this is the tangent. Suppose I am doing another tangent to this curve y is equal to sin x. Suppose this is the tangent. Okay, suppose this is the point. I am going to draw a tangent like this. And these are the points where tangents touches the curve. This is the point, this is the point, this is the point where we draw, when we draw tangents from origin to the curve, the points are this. And we are going to find the locus of the points of contact is x square y square is equal to x square minus y square. Okay. Locus means set of points. Now look at here. What we have to do? It is given y is equal to sin x. Suppose we are going to draw the tangent at a point. The point name of that point is suppose x1 by 1. When the point lies on the curve, obviously you have to put y1 and put x1. So y1 is what? Sin x1. Okay, it is equation 2 and it is equation 1. Y is equal to sin x. When x1 y1 lies, so y1 is equal to sin x1. Now differentiate 1. dy by dx cos x. Now slope of tangent is what? dy by dx, put x1 y1 here. So cos x, put x1 y1. So it becomes cos x1. Now equation of tangent is what? Equation of tangent is y1 minus 0. y1 minus 0 by x1 minus 0. We know equation of tangent is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So it is y1 minus 0 by x1 minus 0. y1 by x1. And as y is equal to sin x, dy by dx, slope of tangent is also here cos x1. Now y1 by x1 is equal to cos x1. Now y1 is equal to x1 cos x1. Now y1 by x1 is cos x1. Remember here, y1 by x1 is what? Cos x1. Now, what is cos square x1? It is y1 square by x1 square. So 1 minus sin square x1. As cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square x1 is y1 square by x1 square. And we know y1 is as y1 is sin x1. So in place of sin x1 I can write y1. So 1 minus y1 square is equal to y1 square by x1 square. Now multiply them. x1 square minus x1 square y1 square is equal to y1 square. So x1 square y1 square, taking to this side, we are getting what? x1 square minus y1 square is equal to x1 square y1 square. As this x1 y1 are the variable points, because this point is x1 y1, this point is also x1 y1, and we are drawing the curves like this, the red mark points, we are drawing the locus. The lines, the points joining this are called the locus of points. Since x1 y1 are the variable points, so we can put xy in place of x1 y1. Then कौन हबो? So I am putting x square y square in place of x1 y1, that is x square y square is equal to x square minus y square. Okay, this is the very simple problem. Now next, look at the problem number 16. I am going 14. Now number 15. Number 15 is perhaps a very simple problem. Number 15. Number 15 is very easy, so I am not doing in my copy. X is equal to 3 cos theta minus cos q theta. Y is equal to 3 sin theta minus sin q theta. The question is to find the equation of normal to the curve this at theta is equal to pi by 4. So when theta is equal to pi by 4, put it here, you get the point. That point is called x1. When you put theta is equal to pi by 4 here, you will get y1. So after putting theta is equal to pi by 4, you will get x1 y1. Okay, you are now ready to get the point x1 y1. Now find dy by dx. What is dy by dx? It is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Okay, after that what you have to do? You have to find the equation of slope of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 4. Means after finding dy by dx, put theta is equal to pi by 4. And that is mt, slope of tangent. And we know what is slope of normal. That is mn, which is equal to minus 1 by mt. Now after finding the value of mn and x1 y1, your equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to mn into x minus x1. And now I am going to solve number 16, which is very important for you. Question is, if x cos alpha y sin alpha is equal to p is the tangent to the curve this x by a to the power 1 by n 1 by x by a to the power n by n minus 1 plus y by b to the power n by n minus 1 is equal to 1. Then so that a cos alpha whole to the power n plus b sin alpha whole to the power n is equal to p to the power n. Okay. Now look at here. Suppose this is a curve. Okay. And we are going to draw the tangent at this point. At x1, y1. Since x1, y1 lies on this curve 1. So it becomes what? X1 by a to the power n by n minus 1 plus y1 by b to the power n by n minus 1 is 1. Now differentiate 1. This is very important point. How you have to differentiate. This is n by n minus 1 which is purely a constant. So it's when we differentiate it becomes n by n minus 1 x by a whole to the power n by n minus 1 minus 1 into, mind it, many students are doing this mistake, into derivative of x by a, that is 1 by a. Next 1 n by n minus 1 1 by y by b to the power n by n minus 1 minus 1 into derivative of y by b, that is 1 by b, and you have to multiply dy by dx because here it is x, so d by dx of x is 1, as it is y, so d by dx of y is written as here dy by dx, and derivative of 1 is 0, and 0 is nothing but 0 into n by n minus 1. Why you will write? Now due to make a cancellation of n by n minus 1 from every term. Now you get 1 by a x by a to the power 1 by n minus 1, 1 by b y by b whole to the power 1 by n minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 0. What is dy by dx? It is minus 1 by a x by a to the power 1 by n minus 1 divided by 1 by b y by b to the power 1 by n minus 1. It is minus b by a 1 by a by 1 by b. It is minus b by a x by a whole to the power 1 by n minus 1 y by b whole to the power 1 by n minus 1. Now slope of tangent is what? Dy by dx. Put the point x1 y1. It is minus b by a x1 by a to the power 1 by n minus 1 y1 by b to the power 1 by n minus 1. What is equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is what? Y minus y1 is equal to mt. This is your mt. Mt means slope of tangent. In place of mt I am writing this term, total term, into x minus x1. Now look at these arrow marks. These arrow marks are very important. Now divide this b to each term of in y and y1 and take this a to this to x, that is it is y by b minus y1 by b is equal to minus x1 by a to the power 1 by n minus 1 y1 by b to the power 1 by n minus 1 whole into what? X by a minus x1 by a. Then what we will do? Take this to x side and this to y side. Now multiply y1 by b 1 by n minus 1 here, and x1 by a 1 by n minus 1 to each term. Okay. Now multiply y by b whole into y1 by b to the power. After multiplication the equation becomes y by b minus y1 by b. Okay. It is the step which is written here. This step is again repeated on the next page. After that multiply this y1 by b to the power 1 by n minus 1. Multiply it. Y by b into y1 by b to the power 1 by n minus 1. Now it becomes y by b into y1 by b 1 by n minus 1. Here look at here. It is important. y1 by b to the power 1. Again y1 by b to the power 1 by n minus 1. So just they will add. After addition 1 plus, look at here, 1 plus 1 by n minus 1. It becomes n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1. Minus 1, it becomes n by n minus 1. So it is n by n minus 1. Now x1 by a, 1 by n minus 1 into x by a minus x by a is written x1 by a to the power 1 by n minus 1 minus x1 by a to the power n by n minus 1. Then multiply minus here minus x by a, x1 by a to the power 1 by n minus 1 plus x1 by a to the power 1 by n, x1 by a whole to the power n by n minus 1. Now take this part to right side, this part to left side. It becomes what? X by a into x1 by a to the power 1 by n minus 1 plus y by b whole into y1 by b to the power 1 by n minus 1 is equal to what? X1 by a whole to the power n by n minus 1 plus y1 by b to the power n by n minus 1. Now, in this equation, take out this x to outside. Now it becomes 1 by a, x1 by a to the power 1 by n minus 1 into x. Similarly, 1 by b, y1 by b to the power 1 by n minus 1 whole into y is equal to 1. Why it is 1? Look at here. It is 1 due to the equation 1. I have told you, as x1, y1 lies on the curve, so x1 by a to the power n by n minus 1 plus y1 by b to the power n by n minus 1 is equal to 1. Now, write this equation in this form. X into this plus y into this is equal to 1. We find, why I am writing we find this by our own labor, but it is given that in the book x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is the equation of tangent. This is also equation of tangent, this is also equation of tangent, so they represent the same line. When two lines are coincident, means same line, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. This is a1, this is a2, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, b1 by b2 is equal to what? c1 by c2. It is 1 by a. Then what you will do? x1 by a whole to the power 1 by n minus 1, just 1 by a. So write it a cos alpha, y1 by b to the power 1 by n minus 1, multiply this b here, b sin alpha is equal to 1 by p. So tell me, what is x1 by a to the power 1 by n minus 1? It is simply just 1 a cos alpha by p. Similarly, y1 by b to the power 1 by n minus 1 is equal to b sin alpha by p. Now take power n to both sides, to this side and this side. When you take power n, it is x1 by a to the power n by n minus 1, it is a cos alpha by p whole to the power n, y1 by b to the power n by n minus 1, b sin alpha by p whole to the power n. It is your equation 3. Now tell me, putting 3 in 2, we get x1 by a to the power n by n minus 1 plus y1 by b to the power n by n minus 1 is equal to 1. In place of x1 by a to the power n by n minus 1, I am going to write a cos alpha by whole to the power n plus a sin alpha by p whole to the power n is equal to 1. Now it is a cos alpha to the power n by p to the power n, b sin alpha to the power n by p to the power n is equal to 1. Just multiply p to the power n and you get the answer, that is a cos alpha whole to the power n plus b sin alpha whole to the power n is equal to p to the power n. Sorry, I have mistakenly written it is a sin alpha, it is really b sin alpha. Okay. Number 17 is very easy, so I am not doing. So that the tangent to the curve x is equal to a whole into t minus sin t, y is equal to 81 whole into 1 plus cos t at t is equal to pi by 2 has slope 1 minus pi by 2. So here x variable is t, y variable is t, a are constant. Slope of the slope of the tangent we have to find. First, find out the points, that is x1, y1. What you have to put? No, there is no requirement to find. First, you have to find dy by dx, that is dx by dt and dy by dt. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. After finding, I am telling it repeatedly, what is dy by dx? It is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. After finding dy by dx, put t is equal to pi by 2. And when you differentiate to find dy by dx, you should think a is your constant. After finding dy by dx, put t is equal to pi by 2. Then you will get slope as 1 minus pi by 2. Okay.